I started drawing every day a picture, what I call the project of the daily postcards. I must find a way to draw something that will give us some hope. In Tel Aviv, we had little rain in the morning and there was a rainbow. And I saw the rainbow and I thought, wow, it would be so wonderful if all the kidnapped kids in Gaza, and all of them were still kidnapped, could go on the rainbow and slide from Gaza to Tel Aviv on the rainbow. And I drew. It looks almost happy. You see the children sliding on the rainbow. And I was really asking myself, can I publish it? Because it's too happy. I didn't know if people will understand it. It's a hopeful picture, optimistic. And I put it in the internet, and it was really surprising to me. Many people really liked it. Because I think in these terrible days, we really needed to believe that we are going to get out of it. You know, it was days that we weren't even sure that the kidnapped people will ever come back. We didn't know what's going to happen. This picture gave hope that it's going to happen. She has fingers missing. I was thinking maybe it's also a symbol of our state, the thing we are in now, because we are very deeply hurt, but I believe in optimism. I believe it's like this hand that becomes a blossoming tree. Israeli ambassador in the Vatican gave one of the postcards as a present to the Pope, to Franciscus. And Franciscus, he took it and he said that it's amazing. And then he prayed for the well-being of the hostages.